Hey guys! Are you planning a trip to Japan? Alam niyo ba na pwede niyo nang i-book lahat ng essentials sa Klook para hassle-free ang travel niyo? Today, I'll share must-book deals sa Klook na sure na makakatulong sa Japan trip niyo. Tara, simulan na natin! Unang-una na dyan ang eSIM card. Perfect to para sa mga ayaw magdala ng pocket wifi. Madali lang mag-activate. Pwede niyo itong i-book sa Klook at i-set up before your trip. May fast internet ka na agad pag landing sa Japan. Tipid at convenient. Pangalawa, attraction tickets. Don't forget to book your tickets for Universal Studios Japan or Tokyo Disneyland. Sa Klook, may guaranteed slots at may mga express pass options pa para hindi ka na pumila ng matagal. Kung fan ka ng Super Mario, ng Harry Potter, or Disney princesses, sure na worth it ang experience. Pangatlo, JR Mini Pass. Kung plano nyong mag-travel sa Kansai region like Osaka, Kyoto, Nara, sobrang sulit ang JR Mini Pass. Unlimited train rides na siya for a few days. Sa Klook, mabilis lang mag-book at mas mura pa kung gagamitin nyo rin ang promo code ko. Pang-apat, luggage delivery service. One of my favorite services that I booked through Klook. Imagine traveling from Osaka to Kyoto pero wala kang bitbit na malalaking maleta. Sa Klook, pwede mo nang ipa-deliver ang luggage mo to your next hotel or even to the airport. Ang sarap magbiyahe ng magaan. Pang-lima, Osaka Amazing Pass. Kung nasa Osaka ka, don't miss the Osaka Amazing Pass. Ang daming attractions na kasama dito like the Umeda Sky Building, Osaka Castle, HEP5 Ferris Wheel at iba't ibang museums. Plus, free unlimited rides pa on public transport. Tipid ka na, enjoy ka pa. Pang-anim, Airport Express Train. Lastly, book the Airport Express Train para sa smooth na biyahe papunta o pabalik ng airport. Mabilis, comfortable at mas mura kapag sa Klook kayo nag-book in advance. So, ayun guys, these are the top 6 must-book deals sa Klook for your Japan trip. Booking ahead saves you time, effort, and even money. Kung gusto niyo pa ng travel tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in Japan! Safe travels and enjoy!